Okay, you can now log in on both servers using the root credential you set up during installation. We can see that every server is member of its own pool. The first action we're going to take is rename the pool on server 1. To do that, log into the console and use the xc pool param set command to rename the default pool. Refresh the page, enter your credentials again, and we can see that the pool has been renamed. Now we're gonna log in on the console on server 2 to join the existing pool on server 1. To do that, we will use the access console. Go to resource pool configuration, join the resource pool, enter your root password locally, use the IP address of server 1 and the root credentials for server 1. Press F8 to confirm. Within a few seconds, the server will join the existing pool on server 1. You can quit the access console and go back to server 1.